In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Creative Cloud. We're going to walk through a clear, simple process so you can update how you pay for your Adobe subscription without any stress. Start by heading to Adobe's website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your account menu. Click that to open the menu and then choose Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings where everything related to your plan, billing, and profile lives. In the account area, find the section labeled Billing and Payment. That's where Adobe keeps your current payment details. Click Change Payment to begin making an update. This option is designed specifically for switching how your subscription is billed, whether you're updating an expired card or choosing a different method for convenience. Next, click Add New. Adobe separates the action of adding a new method from removing or editing an old one, so you can safely add another option without interrupting your current billing right away. On the ad screen, you'll see several choices for how to pay. You can select debit or credit card, PayPal, or Gcash, depending on what's available in your region. If you choose debit or credit, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear on your card. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid verification issues. For PayPal, you'll be redirected to sign into your PayPal account and connect it. Once connected, it's handled automatically each billing cycle. If Gcash is available for you, select it and follow the prompts to link your wallet. Keep in mind that some payment options are region-specific, so you may see slightly different choices depending on where you're located. As you enter details, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Small mismatches, like a typo in your address, can cause a charge to fail later. It's also a good idea to make sure the payment source you're adding has sufficient funds and is enabled for online or international transactions if applicable. That's all you need to do on the Adobe side. You've gone from the website to your profile menu, into Manage Account, then Billing and Payment, selected Change Payment, clicked Add New, and chosen the method that fits you best. Keep this process in mind anytime your card expires, you switch banks, or you want to consolidate your payments under PayPal or Gcash. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Creative Cloud account running smoothly.